clip to clip, and we're gonna do better about vlogging this year. So we're heading over to New York Comic-Con.
We are.
Day 1. You guys are gonna see a couple of different booths today. It's gonna be the main thing. Thursday, Friday, shooting some content. Saturday, y'all might see some stuff. I don't know. Might be using the Ray-Bans on Saturday.
Ray-Ban might be
and then just
busy Saturday.
Yeah, and then I might just like be putting, even though it's all vertical, just putting 3 different views of different shit. So yeah, y'all let me know. Also, let me know what you thought of the travel EDC video. That should be out by the time this is up. But we
bombastic side eye.
We are what looks like. We're still a little bit of ways away. Picking up some friends, and this Comic-Con is gonna be a good time. I think we got some good stuff going on. So. So we are on the con floor. Got in a little bit early. Shout out to the passes. Shout out New York Comic Con as well. Invite me as content creator. First time, appreciate it. We're gonna walk around con floor, see if we can run into some people, talk to a few people, and just show you guys the Comic Con experience on day 1 Thursday. It's always a little lighter. So come on, let's go and take a look at some of the different cool brands that are around on the exhibit floor.
We started off with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles ones. Last year we did a special con exclusive 4-pack that sold out like pretty much right away. And this year we're debuting a couple more new lines. So we have Transformers, we got Universal Horror, and then we have SpongeBob. And then for con exclusives this year we're doing these 2 3-packs of metallic versions of Transformers. So we got the Autobots and Decepticons. And then for the horror we have glow-in-the-dark 4-pack. So these you can't get anywhere else except for here. And then we have a special packaging of the SpongeBob melts that come with Squidward, SpongeBob, Patrick, and Mr. Krabs. Comes in the Krusty Krab kind of takeout box. So all of this is con exclusive. We do have a couple of individual ones that are not part of the pack, so you can still have the collection, including the rare, because they're mystery usually, so you don't know which one you're gonna get. And so we have like rare chases, but here you can, until it's like, you know, sold out, we have the rare chases. So you can get a chance to get it here first. They're starting to come out in Walmart and Box Lunch and Hot Topic. Like kind of now, more rolling out towards the end of the month. But if you come here first, you know, this is where you can get it and know exactly that you're going to be getting it.
And then like the Krusty Krab, right?
Yeah.
SpongeBob's like resurgence right now.
Yeah.
Is so crazy. Like between the Wendy's deal
and the 25th anniversary, which is crazy to me because that makes me feel old. And
facts. When you find, I think the worst, like maybe not the worst thing. One of the craziest things is when you find out the shows you grew up with. In your mind,
they're like
they've been and then you find out you're older than them and you're just like,
why do you need to remind me?
Yeah, I didn't know I was born before this existed. Hey, listen, I learned the turning point for real after 25. That the backaches and the knees, you kind of you grunt when you start getting up.
Now. So everything on this side looks like kind of like a melt shop.
Okay.
And then I'll show you over here. We got some Beetlejuice.
Okay, sick.
We have a cool hoodie over here. And on this side we have one of the t-shirts that we have, which is, they're all screen printed. They all look super nice.
Nice.
And on this side we have a couple more shirts. So this is also just debuting at the con, and if we have any stock left over, it will go on the site, but honestly, first come, first serve here.
Hell yeah.
I especially love the purple. The purple and the green is really what stands out. And then we're working with a artist named Chogrin. He makes these very unique figures. He calls them guru figures. So this one's the Beetlejuice Guru figure. And you can pre-order it at the con, at the booth, or on the website. But if you want to get a 10% discount, you can do it at the booth.
So folks, get it. I'm gonna do something on the phone as well. That way, come by. Culture Fly, they get you right. You got apparel, you got collectibles. They going crazy in New York Comic Con 2020. It's crazy how much has gone since I first met you guys at 2022 Con. It's going nuts. It's awesome. Genuinely love Culture Fly. I still get compliments on this jacket to this day, the Wakanda Forever jacket that they did back in 2022. So looking forward to showing you guys that and all the other stuff on the floor. So I am so getting more into my watch bag, and so I had to come by. I had to come by Citizen Watch, and so you were telling me a little bit of what you guys got going on.
First time selling Marvel, Star Wars, and Disney at New York Comic Con. We've got a few show specials, really exciting. If you peek over here, honoring our favorite 90-year-old Donald Duck, right? Celebrating his anniversary this year. Mickey and Minnie, some original artwork. Obviously, best friends for life, right? Best buds. Deadpool, Wolverine, can't miss out, right? Some really beautiful Marvel 85th product that all comes with a pin. It has all your favorite characters on there, as well as our Avengers 60th and some Darth Vader. Can't really go wrong here. It's an option for everyone. Whatever your hero, villain, character, favorites are, we got them.
So what I'm really loving that I'm seeing is how much y'all actually have going on in plenty of other properties. I know the Star Wars is gotta go crazy. I'm seeing the Vader on the poster. I'm sure the Vader watch is going crazy.
On light or dark side, of course, right?
Yes, 100%.
Everyone has their opinions. They have a preference. They live on one side or the other.
100%.
They're not going back and forth.
No.
So we have a little something for everyone, and some new SKUs that just came out. So we're excited. Obviously, you see Vader there. We have an awesome Darth Maul too.
Oh, I know, that's clean.
So we're liking it. It's a Darth Vader that comes with a pin. It came out for Father's Day actually this year, so brand new this year.
Citizen Watches, man. If you are a nerd and then also are trying to look stylish at the same time,
or maybe just a fan. Did you tell them about our superpower?
Oh, what's superpower?
All the watches run on light. They never need a battery. That's our superpower.
Yeah, amazing. Worry-free. You don't need to charge it up like everything else in our life with cords.
Again, another reason to start getting real watches again, y'all. Real watches all the while, for sure.
Yep.
Thank y'all so much. This is awesome.
Thank you. Have a great time.
Yo, so we found the boys at New York Comic Con. We got the Evan Solo, what's up guys? The CCU. We got the
I drove, you guys saw me.
Official Megs. Yeah, you saw us last one. And then we got Mike Finzimef, baby. We out here over at the Marvel booth, just checking the shit out, getting after it at New York Comic Con.
The most important booth, by the way.
This is the only reason he came. The only reason he came.
This link up is 3 years in the making from a group chat, bro.
Yes,
from a group chat.
And he's the one that linked us all up too. Shout out Evan Solo.
Man, y'all boys the ghosts, man.
For sure. 3 goats in one video. Who would have thought?
So we're here.
So we are here with Tea and Milk, New York, checking out the Banh Mi, the bubble tea. Last year I couldn't stop talking about this, and I'm excited to enjoy this lunch with my friends on this day one of Comic Con and have a great ass time. Enjoying some drinks from Tea and Milk, New York. We're also checking out the Banh Mi with Banh Mi Daddy, powered by Tea and Milk. So these sandwiches are gonna be great. I personally got the barbecue pork. It was recommended to me by someone with the team. We're gonna see how it is, and also get the team some sandwiches, enjoy some lunch together, have a good time, kick off New York Comic Con right.
But without the green in it.
You want the daikon?
Appreciate you.
listen, I know that you're like the milk and tea guy. I know you're doing all this promo. But my problem is like,
You don't like boba.
literally.
Sorry.
No, it's chill. But I don't like the flavor. I don't like the consistency. I don't like it hitting whatever. That's a different conversation. However, like I love the juice, but I don't think I can't rep with it.
But listen, they have a solution for that. They got the jellies. Have you not heard of the jellies? You didn't know about the jellies?
Jellies in my juice?
Yes, jellies in your juice.
No, I don't know any about.
Okay, so if you don't like tapioca balls, you can just have the jellies. This is a lychee jelly. It's fruity. It's sweet.
Does it like pop in there? Or?
This one's chewy, but they got popping ones too. That's the popping pearls, the popping pearl jellies. You got strawberry, mango, peach. So you don't have to have tapioca balls.
Okay, all right. And they got this with all the flavors?
Yes, you can get it however you want.
Okay, so what you're saying is I could just go and grab me a drink with the jellies in it, and that's mine.
Exactly.
All right.
Did you? That's my fucking drink. All right, yo. So we got our sandwiches. We got our bubble tea. What'd you get?
I got the barbecue pulled pork, or barbecue pork. My fault.
Yeah, pulled pork is hilarious. Yeah, barbecue pork as well as it comes. Recommended by the team. We're gonna see how it is. So good as I remember.
Well, yo.
Hope you enjoy, man. Lunch with friends. It was a good time. Woo! It was a good ass sandwich. All right, y'all. I gotta go handle something.
Get his ass whooped.
Everyone's saying it needs to be like an open vacancy title of some sort.
Yeah.
It'd be Orton versus Cena for the belt.
I think Cena got to win 17. I feel like if there's anybody that should be like the most like world champ, it should definitely be Cena, bro.
And I think markability wise, it makes a little more sense right now. Who has the most? Blair?
I ain't gonna lie, that boy Roman though.
Yeah.
Roman is on a different level right now, bro.
He can win too.
That's my tribal
and it'd be
chief.
fine.
What do you mean, man?
Yeah.
Come on.
So we're back at the homie's crib. In the day one, shout out to the official Megs. Always good time coming and chilling with him and just getting into stuff at the con. I felt like I had filmed enough, so I just decided to start enjoying the con and put up the camera for a little bit, and we'll get back at it tomorrow, checking out some more of the booths and stuff that I wanted to see. But day one was cool. I'm fucking tired. I'm gonna bang out a little bit of edits and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So we will catch y'all for day 2 starting at the convention center. See you there.